was over, you decided to stay. You asked with a smile, do you like tempting fate? You inhaled through a cartridge, filled the smoke to your lungs. I choked on the words, stuck to the tip of my tongue. You held it in deep before breathing out slow, and I swear it floated up and formed a halo before fading away like some kind of specter. You blew it all out right at the smoke detector. When the alarm stayed quiet, you started to laugh, and the sound filled the room and tore me in half. Like your exhale was the only thing I'd ever need, and if it filled my lungs, I'd be complete. You offered it out, and I said I don't know. You inhaled again, blew it all in my nose. I called you a bastard, you called me a coward. We laughed for a minute, but it felt like an hour. And I won't tell anyone. No, I won't tell anyone. I looked at the ground, realized I'd been staring. I apologized, but you had long stopped caring. You stepped closer, feel the space that I've been missing. I remember what happened, but then we were kissing. And when it was over, we just looked at each other. Every quiet inhale was followed by another. I looked in your eyes, I didn't know what you wanted. I told you I loved you, held my breath as you responded. And I won't tell anyone. No, I won't tell anyone. If you don't tell anyone, please don't tell anyone. Now I'm awake and the smoke detector's beeping. The batteries have died, and so have I. Dreaming you may be gone, but your habits stayed. And when I breathe in the smoke, now I'm no longer afraid. I'm cold and alone, sitting in the quiet. If I said it was undeserved, I know I'd be lying. It's been a semester, doing anything right, and sometimes I still think of you at night.